Hello. You're muted, Toflo. Let me change the webcam. So let's wait a few more minutes for the rest. Let me start. And let's share my screen. Hopefully you can see the screen. Yes, it looks like you can.
Yeah.
So for today, I did a mistake. I didn't notice. This was a topic for the 22nd, 23rd, actually today. So having a look at the ready for refinement tickets, we have a single one, which is the same that we discussed last week. Unfortunately, the TC didn't manage to meet this week because Thomas had some talks I couldn't attend, so we will meet next week. So we can refine this ticket next week because we still don't have an answer for this. But I have some news about Keptn 95, sorry, Cap 95, the enhancement proposal for making the lifecycle toolkit the standard to onboard new users. And for that, we have the following decision made, which is moving around a bit the links towards our documentation. So currently Keptn.sh redirects to this nice website, but it's still Keptn B1, let's say specific. And the idea instead is to direct this to lifecycle.keptn.sh. This is only for the landing page. This way, the main entry point redirects to the Lifecycle Toolkit website. And why I put it twice. Then have a subdomain b1.keptn.sh to redirect to this old landing page. And the remaining links are still valid, are still working. So we don't break any current existing documentation and links, or the deep linking is preserved. So the old docs are still Keptn.sh.docs is still the v1 docs, and the lifecycle.keptn.sh docs are redirecting to the lifecycle toolkit docs. This way, we have an in-between state where the main entry point is the lifecycle toolkit, but we preserve all the old links until we have a unified website that can serve both documentations at once. And that's basically it. Just doing some DNS and website redirects. We will announce this also tomorrow in the community meeting, and right after the community meeting, we will do these changes. Namely, me and Christian, because I don't trust my DNS skills. I might do some wrongdoing there.
No, we will do it together. We'll waste it up together.
Any topic from the community or any ticket that you like to discuss? You can speak up or send the link to the chat. Otherwise,
We do have a candidate for the Getting Started Guide projects. It's tough because it's been a good project. We've uncovered a lot of weaknesses in our documentation. We fixed some of them. We can't fix all of them yet right now, but
you mean this PR, or did you create an issue
yes.
for that? Oh, okay.
No.
Yep. Then I will review it after this meeting.
Okay. Are we gonna even try to do it? Shall I stay up to catch comments, or shall I just let you guys review and then sleep and then catch comments when I get up?
it's pretty late for your time, so don't worry, go to sleep.
But if
We
there's
can
a
do that
possibility of
asynchronously.
getting this thing done tonight, I'll stay up. That's no problem.
I cannot promise anything. I need to read it first, but I suggest sleep. So tomorrow, with a fresh mind, you can go over the comments and fix them quickly.
Okay,
No worry.
yeah.
Maybe Rakshit, do you have any technical topics, questions for us to support you with your GSOC project?
Not right now. I just had that one issue regarding the matrix operator. I'll try to debug it once again today. If I still face it, I'll maybe talk about it in tomorrow community meeting.
I have one question for you, because you said you are running that locally. Which distribution of local Kubernetes do you use? K3D, K3S, or Kind?
Minikube.
Minikube. Oh, I don't know Minikube, because I think Minikube simulates the API service of Kubernetes, but does not have a full-fledged API service.
I can give it a try with Kind.
Yeah.
Is that something that should be in the docs? We do say that Minikube, we kind of push them towards Kind, but we do say that Minikube is supported.
I know that K3D emulates basically the API service, but I don't know about Minikube. Worth to have a small look into that. It looks like it. You can configure that. So I think it has that. So it's not a problem with Minikube. Yeah. Yeah, because you can provide this. Okay, never mind. So might be something else, somewhere else the issue. Okay, if there are no further topics, then I will say thanks everyone for joining and have a great rest of your day.
Okay,
See ya. Bye
have a
bye.
good
Have a
day,
nice
everybody.
day.
Bye.
Thank you.